World Oceans Day is celebrated on June 8th every year. Oceans cover most of Earth's surface. Oceans give us oxygen and food to survive. Many sea animals live in the oceans. Plastic pollution has buried life. We should keep oceans clean and safe. Saving water also helps protect oceans. Planting trees can help the environment and oceans. Everyone can help by reducing plastic use. Let us protect our oceans for a better future.